Morning fellas, Ben back again. Very important video that I keep making is the addition of your injector cleaner. Now I did not get the liquid moly this time. I got only the STP. This is equally good. 3/4 of it I've used on my car, and the rest 1/4 goes into the motorbike now. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward deal. Oops. So first you press down and then open it up. Okay, now how much is how good for the fuel tank? Yep, kind of emptied it. Okay, the funny thing about off-road riding is that it takes you through all sorts of terrain. Sand, slush, mud, name it, you gotta go through it. And when you ride sand, it's very important that you don't keep changing direction. I mean, yeah, of course you could do all that you want to do if you are a skilled rider, but again on sand. I've been here once, so I know the terrain. It's almost always wow. That was sand, the whole of it. The track, this is a single track. Looks as good as new. Nobody's used it but me, I believe. Good paths. Wow, that was a hit, man. That's the thing with the Himi. The Himi has low ground clearance, so there's only so much that you can do with the Himi. You got to be very, very careful. All this is sand. Woohoo! Steady throttling, fellas. That's all that'll take you anywhere. A sand track that this is even better. Get in here and come this way and get in here and just keep riding. Do I see something? Nope. Or should I take this one? This one looks more promising. Okay. All possible only because you are on a bike that doesn't mind going anywhere. There you go. Oh, gets into never land, la la land. Oh, Wastelands, the best place to try Himi. The Himi can do this all day long. Shifting body weight, important. Looking out for hidden stones, equally important. That's where things go wrong. Fenced. Oops. This is asking for trouble. If I drop it in the ditch, then there's no saving me. Oops, okay. So I don't know if the GoPro can pick this up, but I'm just on that much of land. And if I were to lift the bike up, the rear tire is going down, so there's nobody. Oops. Okay, what do I do? If I pick the bike up, the tire touches here and then there's a slide. Clean case of a slide. I got 3/4 of the bike on the front, so that's pretty much all the weight that you need on the front, but still this is a very heavy motorcycle on the rear as well. What do you do in a situation like this? Yeah, I can pull the rear to that side, provided I have something with me on this side. Come on, buddy. Nope, doesn't budge. Okay, so I'll have to be very, very careful with this. What can I do? Let's try this. Okay. Okay. Here goes. There you go. Now, do not press and hold the clutch. Now for some heavy lifting, deadlifting. Lift the rear and fuck. What a mess. Okay, so into the ditch and then from there. I don't know if you guys can see this, but that is the problem. My tire lands right into the ditch when I try and lift it. Oops. Okay, So if this slides and goes into the ditch, the bike is going to be at an angle like that. The bike is going to be here. I'll have to move the front and land it in the ditch and then take it from there. Okay, buddies, another round of let's give this a shot. Gear 2. Nope. It's right in the ditch. A little bit of grab. That's all I need. Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, that's a deadlift. Catch out. There you go. Hop on. Woohoo. Oh,